Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a conversation between the source and the target language on the Google Translate application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the conversation button in the middle of the screen. As you can see, you need to tap the mic in order to talk. Here down below you can select the source language by clicking on the on that button, and then you can either use the search bar to search for your language, or you can also scroll down till you find the relevant one, and then you can also select the target language here. And then what you have to do is tapping on this mic icon down below, talk or speak whatever you want to translate. And now if you are done with it, just simply press the button, and as you can see there is the target language equivalent of your text indicated or written in purple letters. So you can see or check the pronunciation by tapping on this icon in the left side of the screen. So yes, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.